hidden and really useful tricks that everyone should know. The last trick will make you laugh and wonder how you just learned it now. So I invite you to find out one by one. Let's go. If you've finished eating the snack and there's still some left over, don't close the package with the clothespin, as it doesn't seal completely. Therefore, afterwards, the snack becomes wilted and bland. To store it, do the following. Fold the wrapper this way from one side to the other. Then roll it up on the opposite side the way I'm doing it. And see, it's going to be these two handles at the ends. Just turn each one inside out and see how well it is sealed. This is a great way to store snacks, especially when traveling. After washing your sneakers or shoes, don't let them dry like this. That way the water doesn't drain enough, which is why it takes a long time to dry or smells bad. And don't attach it directly to the clothesline either. Sneakers can lose their shape. To dry quickly, do the following. Attach 2 plastic bags to the clothesline with the handles facing down. Then, simply place the shoe between the straps. That way, the water will drain away completely, and your shoes will dry much faster. If you notice that the filter has run out while making coffee, don't worry. Just use paper towels. Take a sheet and place it inside the coffee maker. Try to leave it in the same shape as the filter. Add the coffee and then the water. The paper towel will serve as a filter, and you will have your coffee fresh. If you need to clean the ceiling of your house, remove cobwebs or grease stains, you don't have to climb stairs or chairs. You can fall and hurt yourself. To clean these areas safely, it's simple. Use 2 pieces of steel wool. Take the sponges and open them in this way. Once that's done, just place one on top of the other. Then, take that part of the squeegee and put it on top. Now close the sides and then secure with some clothespins. Pour in some detergent and snap on the cable. Use it to clean high places that you can't reach. That way it's much easier and you don't have to climb stairs. If something in your fridge became rotten and it still smells bad after cleaning, the solution is simple. Put some coffee powder in a container and leave it in the fridge. In a few hours, the bad smell will be gone. This happens because coffee has properties that absorb and neutralize odors. This tip is old-fashioned, but it really works. If you're uncertain about the gas level and afraid it might run out during lunch, the solution is simple. Heat up some water, but don't boil it. We're only going to use warm water. Then pour this water completely over the gas cylinder's side. Remember to only pour on the side, not on top. Afterwards, touch with your palm and feel the temperature. In the parts where you feel the water's warmth, it means that the cylinder is empty in that area. Slowly lower your hand until you feel an area that's cold, because when that happens, it means that the gas level is right there. And if it's low, you already know that the gas could run out at any moment. That's why you should already have a spare. So, that's it. I hope you liked it. Tell me which of these tips you liked the most and which one you didn't know. A hug, and I'll see you in the next video.